As a startup leader, you're always looking for that one thing that will change everything for the better. But since your time is limited, what should you really focus on? Now that's a big question. I propose you focus on how to get the right people into the right seats. First, consider moving existing team members around. If somebody is willing to be a leader and they have the potential, let them own the outcomes. Second, consider fresh A-level talent. Bring in the right people to put into those leadership positions and identify the candidates, the best candidates that you can afford. Third, don't wing the hiring process. Make sure to apply some sort of a method or a system to eliminate any kind of guessing and gut feelings. For example, there's this book called Who that describes a very simple 4-step process to follow. It sort of centers around this concept of a scorecard that identifies mission, outcomes, and competencies to score the candidate against. It's a really good system. By the way, if you like this kind of content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. With these 3 steps in place, consider the impact to your business. Would you be able to take time off, go on vacation, and actually enjoy yourself? What would the A players on board mean to your revenue? Would you be able to go to market faster? Now keep in mind that A players always like to work with other A players. So once you begin this process, you can't ever stop. Always be recruiting. And then simply take a step back, observe, and measure. Is your team getting more done? Are the A players actually recommending other A players for hire? What is the client's feedback? Do you feel like the company momentum is growing? Now give this approach a try, and remember, if it doesn't work out, you can always go back. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.